Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool SEAT, showing you around the SEAT Tarraco that we have in stock. This is a TDI XCELLENCE model. Comes with your SEAT lighting, daytime running lights. This car is a 19 plate, sat on just over 7,000 miles. Got your XCELLENCE diamond cut alloys, all in great condition. Cars for sale here at Blackpool SEAT, part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run group of dealerships. You find dealerships in areas such as Kendal, Lancaster, Blackpool of course, Southport and Wigan. So at the Blackpool site you've got us of course, Blackpool SEAT. Next door to us we've got Blackpool Auto Mart. There's still a variety of brands of stock, all makes and models of cars. A few of our part exchanges come in from there. Next door to them you've got Honda bikes. Over in the distance we've got our flagship dealership, which is Blackpool Honda. And over there you've got the paint and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So all used cars do go through body shop prep. Any little bits wrong with the car that we do see fit to sort out do get sorted out before sale. Also goes through the in-house workshop. It's a 142 point check to get it SEAT approved standard. That includes your brakes and your tyres. So any tyres below 3mm in tread will get replaced with some fresh ones. Also as part of our used programme, it does come with at least 9 months service and 9 months MOT. So let's get into the car. I'll show you the boot first. So you've got a retractable parcel shelf which you can put into the car. If you have any luggage to carry, obviously being a Tarraco it's 7 seats, so you've got 2 rear seats. Using this lever here, you can pop them forward. Gives you a nice amount of room to bring it back up. You just pull it on the lever. Nice and simple to use. Your middle seats, you've got 3 middle seats, including your middle seat. So there's a couple of drink holders for rear passengers. Plenty of room in the back for your rear passengers. And to fold these seats forward to give you even more room for any luggage, pull that lever, click it down, and there you are. To lift it back up, just pull the tab and click it back into position. Very easy, very convenient to use. Rear passengers also get drinking trays, food trays. Another nice little neat feature to have. Stepping into the driver's seat, you'll find a 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got your driving modes operated by this dial down here, which also pops up on your infotainment system. So you've got individual, eco, normal and sport. To the right of the gear stick you've got electronic parking brake and your brake hold. This car is also keyless entry and push button start, so there's your push button start. And to the left of the gear stick you've got your park assist, your park pilot and your auto stop start. Down in the centre console tray you've got your different power outlets, dual zone climate control. I'll talk you through the infotainment system. So first thing that I'll note, this car does have a reversing camera. So you've got your park pilot and your reversing camera. We've also got your park assist options. Excellent feature to have. So on the infotainment system, you've got all your radio and your media sources, satellite navigation, traffic updates, Bluetooth hands-free audio, all your driving data, full link with this car, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link. You can adjust the sound on your speakers. And lastly, you can control your dual zone climate control from the touchscreen. Onto the steering wheel, got your media buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. On the right hand side, you've got the buttons to control the digital cockpit. Couple of Excellence badges dotted in and around the car. Nice touch to have. So I'll talk you through the digital cockpit now. So clicking the view button, you can change the display, how it's laid out. Using the two buttons above, you can change what's displayed in the centre. Most people like to have the driving data displayed, how much range they've got left in the tank. Personally, I like to display the sat nav down the centre of the speedometer. Down to the right hand side, you've got your light style, and on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors as well as heated and foldable mirrors, electrical windows, and just on the driver's door here, you have got a button to open the boot from the driver's seat. Lastly, next to the door handle, you do have your child locks, and that's the interior. Couple of neat cup holders here to add. Central armrests, Isofix mounting points on the front seats. I'll give you one last look at the seats. You've got a lovely part suede, part cloth interior. So that is the car. It's available here at Blackpool SEAT. If you'd like to know any more information about this car or any finance options available on this car, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We hope to hear from you soon.